students of standard 6th. Here is practice set 16. We will solve examples based on multiplication of decimal fractions. See this first example. If 317 multiplied by 45 is equal to 14,265, then 3.17 into 4.5 is equal to question mark is there. See here, multiplication is already given. What is multiplication? 14,265. Only we have to put decimal point. In previous video, you have learned that how to put decimal point. In multiplication, while giving decimal point to answer, you have to count all decimal places from right side of given numbers. See here 3.17 means here after point 2 places are there, and here after point 1 place is there. So for answer total how many places will be there? 1, 2 and this 3. So we have to put decimal point before 3 places from right. So here what will be there? 14,265 as it is we will write. Now we will think about decimal point 1, 2 and 3. Here from right side we will leave 3 places 1, 2 and 3, and here point will be there here. So how we will read this number? 14.265, and here it is written put decimal point before 3 places from the right. Same second example is there. 503 into 217 is equal to 1,09,151. Then 5.03 into 2.17. So here I will write 503 into 217 is equal to 1,09,151. Then 5.03 into 2.17. Now we will think about decimal point. Here 1, 2 places are there after point, and here also 1, 2 places are there. So total how many places? 4 places. So answer as it is we will write. Now we will think how to give decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from right side, from this side, 4 places we will leave. 1, 2, 3, 4, and here decimal point will be there. So here in the bracket I will write put decimal point before 4 places from right. Now question number 3 is there. Multiply 2.7 into 1.4. First we will multiply 27 into 14 without decimal point. So multiplication is 378. Now we will think about point 2.7 into 14 on 1.4, and here multiplication we already know that it is 378. Now here 1 and 2 places are there. So before 2 places 1 and 2, before 2 places here decimal point will be there, that is 3.78. Now we will see second one, that is 6.17 into 3.9. So we will multiply it vertically. First without point. Multiplication you already know how to do. Then also we will see multiplication for the second example. Then those who don't know how to multiply 3 digit by 2 digit, they will learn that. While multiplying, first we have to multiply by this right side number, that is right side digit, that is 9. So we will multiply by 9. 9 sevens are 63. 3 here, 6 carry. Then 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 6, 15. So here 5, here 1 carry. Then 9 6s are 54, and this one 55. Now here we have to put 1 0. Then we will multiply by this 3. Now 3 sevens are 21. Here 1, 2 carry. 3 ones are 3 plus this 2, 5. So here 5. Now 3 6s are 18. So here 18 as it is. Now we will add these two. 3 plus 0, 3. 5 plus 1, 6. Then 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus this one, 14. And 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. Our multiplication is 24,063. Now with point, if we will see, 6.17 into 3.9. Already we got multiplication that we will write here. Now we will think about point. Here 1, 2 places are there, and this one is third. So before 3 places we will put point from right side. 1, 2, 3. So here point will be there. So our answer is 24.063. Now we will see third example from third question, that is 0.57 into 2. 0.57 into 2 vertically directly we will multiply in this example now. See here, 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry. 2 fives are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So here without point, answer is 114. But we will think about point. Here 2 places are there and here no point. So only we will think about these 2 places. So here first place, second place, here point will be there. Right, from right side 2 places we have to leave and give here point. This is our answer, 1.14. Now fourth example, that is 5.04 into 0.7. Vertically we will write 5.04 into 0.7. So without thinking about point we will multiply first. Here directly I will write multiplication. Multiplication of 504 into 7 is 3528. Now we will think about point. Here 2 places are there and here 1 place. So 2 plus 1, 3. So before 3 places, 1, 2, 3. Here decimal point will be there. So multiplication is 3.528. Now in practice set 16 2-word problems are there. Here first word problem, Virendra bought 18 bags of rice, each bag weighing 5.250 kg. How much rice did he buy altogether? If the rice cost 42 rupees per kg, how much did he buy for it? Sorry, how much did he pay for it? Here we will solve that example. I will write given. What is given in the example? One bag contains 5.250 kg rice and cost of 1 kg rice is 94.5. Here one bag contains 5.250 kg rice. But total how many bags are there? Here Virendra bought 18 bags. So total how many bags? 18 bags. 18. So first we have to find out total rice he bought. In one bag 5.250, then in 18 bags we have to multiply this 5.250 into 18. First we will multiply by 8, then multiply by 1 and then add that. Our multiplication will be there. See here, 94,500. Now we will put decimal point. 1, 2, 3 places are there. So before 3 places, 1, 2, 3. Here our decimal point will be there. So we can write it 94.5. Sorry. See here, 94.5. This is total rice Virendra bought. Now cost of 1 kg is rupees 42. So we will multiply this total rice by 42. So our multiplication 94.5 into 42. First we will multiply by 2. Multiplication is 1890. Then we will multiply by 4. First give here 0 multiply by 4. Now add these two. Addition and 3. Now we will think about decimal point. Here before one place point is there and here no point. So here only we will leave one place from right side. So here point will be there. So our answer is 3969. So here we can write for answer. Virendra bought 94.5 kg rice. This is 94.5 kg rice. And he paid 3969 for the rice. Now we will see last example from this practice set, that is Vedika has 23.50 meters of cloth. She used it to make 5 curtains of equal size. If each curtain required 4 meters 25 centimeter to make, how much cloth she left over? So here we will solve that same example. Question number 5. First we will write given things in examples. Vedika has 23.5 meter cloth and cloth required for one curtain is 4 meter 25 centimeter. So this 4 meter 25 centimeter we can write 4.225 meter. And how many curtains Vedika want to prepare? She want to prepare 5 curtains. So we want to find out clothes required for 5 curtains. Cloth for one curtain is 4.25. So clothes for 5 curtain, we will multiply that 4.25 by 5. Now we will multiply by 5. 2125. Now we will put decimal point. 1, 2 places. So here before 2 places we will put point. Here 1, 2. Here our point will be there. That is 21.25 meter. Means she required clothes for 5 curtains 21.25. But already she is having cloth that is 23.5 meter. So what to do? We want to find out how much cloth remained with her. So we have to subtract this 21.25 from this 23.5. Okay. Cloth remained with Vedika. (23.25 meter minus 21.25). So we will subtract here vertically. Sorry, here 23.50 meter is there. 23.50 meter. And subtraction is 2.25 meter. And in example question is asked how much cloth is left over with Vedika. So here we can write cloth left over with Vedika is 2.25 meter. And this is our answer. So here it is complete practice set of 16. Word problems are not written. You can write word problems from textbook. And you have to solve all these examples in your notebook. Okay. My lovely students. Bye bye. Have a nice day.